Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric chainsaws that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tackling yard work, trimming trees, or doing DIY projects, these chainsaws are designed to meet a variety of needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Denkir Cordless Mini Chainsaw for DeWalt 20V Max battery powered. This chainsaw is a solid choice for users who already own DeWalt batteries, as it's compatible with DeWalt's 20V Max battery system, allowing you to save money if you already have the batteries. Featuring an 8-inch guide bar and chain, this chainsaw is equipped with an 850-watt pure copper motor that delivers efficient cutting performance, slicing through logs up to 8 inches in diameter in just 7 seconds. It also includes an automatic lubrication system that keeps the chain running smoothly, extending its lifespan. The lightweight design at just 1.5 pounds makes it easy to use for extended periods without fatigue, and it's ideal for small spaces and one-handed operation. While this chainsaw is great for portability and light-duty tasks, it's important to note that it does not include a battery, which adds extra cost if you don't already own DeWalt batteries. Additionally, the noise level is impressively low, making it neighbor-friendly. However, the build quality could feel less robust compared to other higher-end models on this list. Overall, this chainsaw is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, gardeners, and anyone looking for a lightweight, affordable option for pruning and small-scale woodcutting tasks. At number 4, we have the Saker Mini Chainsaw, which stands out as the budget-friendly option on this list. Priced at just $29.99, this chainsaw doesn't compromise on essential features. It boasts a 2025 upgraded pure copper motor, offering higher efficiency and faster cutting speeds. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, this chainsaw is incredibly lightweight, making it an excellent choice for women, elderly users, and beginners. The 6-inch guide bar is suitable for trimming branches, resizing boards, and cutting small trees. And it includes safety features like a lock button and safety baffles to prevent accidental injury. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides decent runtime, but it's recommended to fully charge it before use if it's been sitting idle. While the Saker Mini Chainsaw excels in portability and ease of handling, it's not designed for heavy-duty cutting tasks. The build quality is adequate for the price, but users seeking long-term durability might want to explore higher-end options. Overall, this chainsaw is perfect for light gardening tasks and quick DIY jobs, and its low price point makes it a great gift idea for friends or family. At number 3, we have the CC Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch. This chainsaw strikes a great balance between cost efficiency and performance, priced at $34.01. Featuring a lightweight design at just 2.62 pounds, it's perfect for one-handed operation and portability. The included dual 2.0 amp-hour battery packs ensure extended runtime, while the fast charger gets you back to work quickly. The chainsaw's powerful motor can cut through 5.91-inch logs in just 8 seconds, making it ideal for small to medium-sized woodcutting and pruning tasks. One of the standout features is the comprehensive accessory package, which includes 2 chains, gloves, an oil bottle, and more. Everything you need for maintenance and operation. The chainsaw arrives fully assembled, so you can get started right out of the box. While the performance is impressive for its size, this chainsaw isn't designed for professional-grade cutting or larger trees. The build quality is solid, and the customer support is highly rated, ensuring peace of mind post-purchase. If you need a lightweight tool for gardening and occasional wood cutting, the CC Mini Chainsaw is a fantastic choice that delivers excellent value for money. At number 2, we have the Craftsman Electric Chainsaw, a corded option that balances powerful performance with affordability. Priced at $89, this chainsaw features a 16-inch low kickback bar and chain, powered by a robust 12-amp motor that handles tough cuts with ease. The automatic oiling system ensures continuous lubrication, reducing wear and extending the lifespan of the chain and guide bar. The tool-free chain tensioning system makes it easy to adjust for optimal cutting performance, saving time and effort in maintenance. Weighing 6.19 pounds, the Craftsman chainsaw is easy to maneuver, though it's slightly heavier compared to the mini chainsaws on this list. Its corded design means you won't have to worry about battery life, but you'll need access to a power outlet, which might limit its portability. This chainsaw is ideal for homeowners looking for a reliable tool for trimming branches, cutting firewood, and general yard work. With a 3-year limited warranty, it's a solid investment for medium-duty tasks. However, if portability is a priority, you might want to consider the cordless options. Overall, the Craftsman electric chainsaw offers excellent cutting performance and durability at a reasonable price. Finally, at number 1, we have the Oregon CS 1500 18-inch corded electric chainsaw. This premium chainsaw, priced at $97.74, is packed with advanced features that make it the top choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. What sets this chainsaw apart is its integrated PowerSharp self-sharpening system, which sharpens your chain in just 3 to 5 seconds, ensuring optimal cutting performance with minimal downtime. The powerful 15-amp motor drives the 18-inch guide bar with ease, making it suitable for cutting larger branches and logs. The ergonomic design includes a chain brake for added safety and an automatic lubrication system to keep the bar and chain in peak condition. With tool-free tensioning, adjustments are quick and hassle-free. Weighing 12.6 pounds, this chainsaw is heavier than other models on this list, but its performance justifies the weight. It's corded, so you'll need access to a power outlet. But this also means unlimited runtime without worrying about battery life. If you're looking for a chainsaw that combines power, convenience, and durability, the Oregon CS 1500 is unmatched. It's perfect for regular yard work, firewood cutting, and even more demanding tasks. With a 2-year warranty, it's a reliable investment for serious users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.